Hi, this is Anish from Economic Times. Once again, we are back from the networking lunch. We have Mr. Apoorv Singhal from Acaya, who would like to tell more on gold chain, supply chains of future, how the market is going to be. Yeah.
Thank you. So, any advancement that happens on the medical sciences front or on the infrastructure front, they all have to go hand in hand. Any one advancement or innovation in and itself will not be enough. The entire system around that innovation has to innovate. So, for example, if we are going for precision cold boxes, which will ensure that critical pharma products reach customers in the right state, in the right temperature, in the right form for consumption, it is not enough that the cold box itself needs to be very precise and advanced. It is also important that a precise logistics delivery system assists that product. And so that's been our approach as well. Acaya and Zip2D have come together to take precision medicine and turn that into a precision delivery system. A super advanced cold box and a super advanced logistics working together to deliver critical pharma products to the customer. And this is one of the important examples that will be very critical for modularity, precision, penetration of services in India. So I gave an example of precision, but there are more. But they all need to be delivered as a part of a collective system.
So, Mr. Apu, I would also like to ask if what is the future collaboration for such business, and how is the stakeholders you will be carrying forward with the supply chain?
Sure. So every time a new innovation happens, there are several options that emerge. The industry has to collectively trial and experiment with those options. No single standard will emerge all of a sudden. It happened with mobile phone technology, it happened with solar panels, it happened with electric vehicles. Every time a new technology and innovation takes a jump, several different experiments have to be done. So as an industry which is working on supply chain products and supply chain systems, we need to be very agile in adopting different types of experiments. Whatever mistakes we have to make it now, so that a single solution emerges that everybody can adopt. Right? That solution then will give us a base to do more innovations. For example, if all of us absorb this innovation of remotely monitoring temperatures, every single vaccine, insulin or other critical drug that goes to farthest corners of India is being monitored. Their temperature and state is being monitored remotely through a single protocol, a single format. If that kind of innovation happens, then you can build a lot more on top of it. You can build an analytics software. You can build a recall software. You can build a service delivery which is localized. So the entire industry does need to collaborate not just on one solution but on many solutions, so that the innovation actually reaches a logical conclusion.
So, Mr. Appu, when you say agile, so it is basically coming to a new technology what you have come with Acaya, or it is a new implementation what you're trying to come with the industry?
Right, so it's a combination of both. As I had mentioned before, when you come up with an innovation product, it doesn't necessarily become very easy for everyone to adopt inside the industry.
Okay.
And that happens because you've been using a particular framework, a conventional framework for many decades. Your entire system, logistics, financials, operations is based on that. So to ensure that a new innovation gets adopted, it is the burden of the innovator to also come up with a system that works for everyone.
Okay.
So if we build precise cold boxes, it is not enough that we just provide those cold boxes to major pharma manufacturers. We also have to provide them the right logistics systems so that these cold boxes can be stored, transited, monitored, recorded, serviced, repaired, whatever system is required to ensure that these precise cold boxes actually take the products to the last mile. All of that has to be done as a part of a system. So that's what I meant when I said the product and the system have to go together in an agile way that everybody should experiment with.
So thank you so much, Apoorv, for your new implementations, how you have come up with Acaya. We look forward for the event. Thank you so much.